Hey there, friends! It's a bright sunny day, perfect for a fun swim day. So grab your swim caps and let's dive into our swimming adventure. First things first, before we jump into the water, we need to warm up. Let's do some stretching. Reach up high with your arms, now touch your toes. Great job! Warming up helps our muscles get ready for swimming and keeps us from getting hurt. Now let's talk about safety, because being safe is just as important as having fun. Always remember to swim where a lifeguard can see you, and never go in the water without a grown-up nearby. Oh, and if you're just learning, wearing floaties is a super cool idea. All right, now that we're all warmed up and know how to stay safe, let's get into the water. Can you feel how cool and refreshing it is? Splish splash, let's make some waves. Here's a fun game we can play. It's called Marco Polo. One person closes their eyes and shouts, "Marco!" and everyone else has to answer polo. The person who is it tries to tag the others just by listening to where they are. Remember, no peeking if you're Marco. While we're playing, we're also practicing our swimming strokes. Can you show me how you paddle your hands and kick your feet? That's right. Just like a duck glides smoothly over the water, you're doing it too. After a fun game, how about we learn something cool about swimming? Did you know that swimming is not just fun but also a great exercise for our whole body? It helps our heart and lungs get stronger and keeps us fit. Plus, it's a skill that can keep us safe around water. Phew! After all that swimming and playing, it's time for a little break. Let's hop out of the water for a bit. Grab a towel, dry off, and sip some water. Always stay hydrated, especially when you're out in the sun having loads of fun. Before we say goodbye, let's sing a little song to remember our swim day. Here it goes. Sing in a cheerful tune. Splash in the pool, having fun, swimming with friends under the sun. Safety first, then play a game. Swim day fun, it's never the same. Thanks for joining me today at the pool. Remember, swimming is a blast when you're safe and with friends. Until our next adventure, keep paddling and stay splashtastic. Bye-bye.